Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Vista wig by Wille in the color Ginger Rooted, which is a really pretty sort of butterscotch, amber, blonde mix, and it does have a really pretty light brown root. Now this wig is a petite average, and it feels like a petite average. So I'm going to make this review kind of short because I don't really want to stretch the wig out for whoever may want to buy this later on down the road. So let me go ahead and do my 360 for you so you can see what Vista looks like right off the bat. So this is a 4-ounce wig, so it's got quite a bit of hair on it, but it's all really nice and slick and straight. So because of that, it has a really nice natural hair density. The front is 4.4 inches. The crown down is 8.25 inches. The sides are 3, so it's layered here on the sides because you can see it's also quite a bit longer here than it is anywhere else in the wig. And then we also have a 2.25 inch nape, so this one's quite short. I think this one's really flattering. Reminds me a little bit of like a flapper bob or something like that. A really cute, classic little style. You just need like a little cloche or something. Yeah, I really like this one. I think it's really pretty, and I wish that it didn't like squeeze my head like it's in a vice. But I have an average large cap size, so alas, this one is not for me, but you could tell it's really cute. Has kind of a no frills cap construction up here. Has a monofilament crown insert. So let me go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction, and then we'll go ahead and end this review. So this one does not have a ton of permatease on it, but it does have enough to obscure the tracks on top. She has a monofilament crown. It's a little square insert, barely visible little insert there. I mean, really hard to see. Very nice, sleek, natural hair density on this one. Really nice. I mean, this will be very appropriate for a petite or petite average wearer. You can see open on the top, little tiny square monofilament crown insert off to the side. It's open wefted on the sides and in the back with a felt nape that is not extended, but it does have these Velcro adjusters. We also have felt here on the ear tabs. This wig is not particularly stretchy because it's made for a more petite client. No lace front, but we do have a little band of felt here at the front hairline to aid with grip. So I like this one. I think it's super cute and classic looking. Looks really pretty in this color. And it is a little lighter, by the way, this color in the front than it is in the back. But other than that, I don't want to stretch it out or damage the wig in any way, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this review. But I like this one. You know, it's nothing fancy. It doesn't have any fancy schmancy cap features, but it'll get the job done and it'll look really cute while you're doing it. So again, this has been Vista in Ginger Rooted. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our store if you get a chance. And until next time, see you later, Gator. Bye-bye.